Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out Born Pretty's new Pro Soak Off Gels. I've got 5 to show you, but they have 120 shades and they retail for $4.99 on their website. You can use my code MGL10 to get 10% off including sale items, but anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. These gel polishes don't have any names, but they do have numbers associated with each shade, and this one is number 106, which is a fine silver holographic gel polish. I thought this might be a little sheer, but it actually covered really nicely in 2 coats. I'm also not going to be showing the curing process, but I cured it after each coat for about a minute or a minute and a half in an LED light. So here are 2 coats of number 106. The next shade is number 063, and this is a light lilac shade. It's such a pretty color. It did take 3 coats to become fully opaque, and I was kind of hoping it would be more like the last one that took only 2 coats. And another thing to note about these gel polishes is that once they're cured, they do have a little bit of a sticky layer on top. So I tried removing that with some rubbing alcohol, which removed the sticky layer, but it kind of dulled the shine a little bit. So I would recommend applying a no-wipe gel top coat on top to add a glossy shine and not have that sticky layer anymore. So here are 3 coats of shade 063. This next shade is number 048, and this is a bright cobalt blue shade. This one is probably my favorite color out of all the 5 gel polishes that I tried today, and it also applied really nicely, and it was completely opaque in 2 easy coats. So here are 2 coats of shade 048. The next shade is number 070, and this one is a classic black cream gel polish. Now, for some reason, I don't have the footage of applying the first coat, but here is the second coat. And as you can see, it is still kind of sheer on that second coat, so I did have to apply a 3rd coat for full opacity. This one is not my favorite black gel polish, but I am going to be using it as a base for the next polish, so I probably could have gotten away with 2 coats, but it did take 3 coats for full opacity. So the last shade that I have is shade number 117, which is a magnetic polish, and I think Born Pretty does a pretty good job with their magnetic gel polishes. This one is mainly pink, but it does lean a little bit green and a little bit gold. And here I'm applying 1 coat over the black polish that I just swatched. But I think if you wanted just this multi-chrome look, you could probably build this one up on its own in a few coats, or you could just wear it like this with 1 coat over the black base. I wanted to test it as a magnetic polish, so before I cure this layer, I'm going to hold a rectangular magnet from Beauty Big Bang over my nail diagonally for a few seconds and then cure it, and I got a really nice diagonal pattern. So here is 1 coat of 117 over 070. So here's one more look at the 5 gel polishes that I swatched from Born Pretty's Pro Soak Off Gel Polish line. I think my personal favorite is the Cobalt Blue, which is shade 048. And overall, I think the colors are quite pretty, but I think maybe I'm just used to it, but I wish they were more like the one-step gel formulas that didn't need another top coat and didn't have that sticky layer. But anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Let me know which one was your favorite by leaving me a comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. But that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!